It was a snowy night at Santa's workshop just before Christmas. Santa and his team gathered to find a better way to keep track of who's naughty and who's nice. With a tap of his candy cane pointer, Santa unveiled a grand idea: candy cane drones ready to take flight. Soon, those peppermint-striped marvels soared high above the quiet towns of New Jersey. Children below gazed up, puzzled by these curious, festive flyers. Even the elves watched closely from their screens. But before long, concerns grew. Were these drones stirring suspicion among the families below? Santa reassured his worried helpers, just until Christmas. After that, we'll go back to the old ways. Elves diligently took notes, laughing at silly moments the drones revealed. Dogs with candy canes, children giggling in the snow. As Christmas drew nearer, the drones returned home. The elves relaxed, confident their lists would be ready in time. Santa gazed out his window, pleased that for a brief moment, old traditions and new ideas danced together in the winter sky. And so, as the drones drifted away, the spirit of Christmas shone bright. All was calm, all was merry.